Okay, how to use a thermal cooker. Boil, insulate, and wait. That's it. You're going to bring your food to a boil. You have to bring something to a boil. And usually it's food, but I'm going to teach you how to do it today without using the food as the thermal mass. We're going to use water instead today, but for the most part, you bring your food to a boil, you insulate it, and then you put it in and then you just wait. Okay. Here's this is something to understand when it comes to thermal cooking. When mistakes in temperature I can't see because I got something in my way. Let me see if I can move it. Mistakes in temperature tests in measuring in time and in other conditions may result in failures, which must not be imputed to the cooker, but the cook. This is really scientific, really, what it does. So if something's not quite going right, just realize it's just a little bit of a tweak. And it really is something that's super simple to learn. And once you learn it and you figure it out, you're going to remember it. And it's just thermal cooking's simple. There's just some principles you have to understand to be successful. And once you understand those, you can make almost anything in it. But if there's a problem, realize it's just your knowledge isn't quite there where it needs to be successful at it. Okay. Unless you want to make cookies, and then you're not going to be successful. Don't even try. So why science teachers should not be given playground duty. With thermal cooking, it's all about cause and effect. What you do on one side is going to affect how it comes out on the other side. So if you understand the principles going in, and I'm just going to go through those, then you'll be successful on the other end as you understand how that all works.